Here's my primer, my five makeup. Mo dúpẹ́ Olúwa, Olúwa, glory for me. It's almost finished. This is for my jaw, my forehead, and my cheek. It's my concealer. Just little. I'm using another beauty blender for it. I love this concealer because it blends well. Setting powder. I just buy my setting powder gently. Next thing, I want to go in with my glow. Just here. Use my pressed powder just to blend everything. It's time to put my lashes. It's too much. Is that true? If not because I'm talking while doing it, it doesn't take longer. It's just 5 minutes makeup and it's too cute. So lastly, let me seal it up, and that's final.